In this video, I'll show you how to hide your likes on Twitter. This method works on both Android and iOS devices, including iPhone and iPad. First, open the Twitter app and go to the home page where you see all the tweets. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner to bring up the menu on the left side. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety within the Settings menu. At the top of this page, you'll see Audience and Tagging. Tap on it. Here, you'll find an option called Protect Your Tweets. Turn it on. Turning on Protect Your Posts will hide your likes from people who are not following you. However, those who are following you will still be able to see your likes. To completely hide your likes, you would need to either unlike everything or create a new account. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you.